My project name is called Book Management System. This application will help a librarian to add or to delete simply or to manage a books in a library. So here we are going to see how this application works. A librarian can add book by tap to select book cover. As you see, we are going to choose a book cover. Let me choose this cover. As you see, choose book name. Let me call it Mathematics. Author name Carissa. Once user click on add book, they get message tell him book added successfully. We can add another book also by tapping here to add cover of book. Let me choose this one. Book name computer. Author name Kanyana. Also click on add book. This is the message telling book added successful. So we can click on go to digital library to see the list of all added book. Also a user can click on view all books to see that list of all books added. A librarian can also delete book in library by clicking on this button of delete. As you see, once a librarian click on it, he or she get a message telling him, are you sure you want to delete this book? Once click on delete, as you see, the book is deleted. And also we can come back to see if that book is deleted permanently. So thank you very much. This is how book management system works. Thank you. My project name is Job Finder Application. Job Finder Application has users, which is admin, job provider, and job seekers. So without delay, here I'm going to show us how Job Finder application works. So once an admin make login, he or she has full access and full control to this app. So an admin can post new job by clicking on this button called post new job. Once he clicking on it, he get this form to be filled. Let's start with job title, which is called marketing. Company name Rukara Limited. Location Rukara. Salary of course, job title is full-time. Description, let's put communication skills, and then click on publish job. As you see, job posted successfully. So an admin also has an access to delete job. Let's delete this school IT. Once he click on here, he get this button called delete. Once he click on it, already, as you see, school IT was deleted successful. Also, admin has an access to see if a job is already applied or not by clicking on view applicants. Once you click on view applicants, as you see, there is no applicants yet. Let's go back. And here I want to show us the role of job seekers on this app. Let's make logout as an admin and make login as a job seekers. Make login as a job seeker. A job seeker can get this dashboard. So in order to make application for job, he or she can click on this job. As you see, there is a button called apply now, and then click on it. There is full name Clemence, email, phone number. He or she can type it 0790667484. Cover letter. A job seeker can, and also job seeker can upload or add a file like a CV. Let's take this file, open it, then click on submit button. As you see, application submitted successfully. Also, this app allows light or dark mode system. By clicking here, a user can switch dark mode, as you see, and also can come back to light mode. Thank you very much.